Hi everyone, I'm Vitalis and welcome to my channel How to Tech. In today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to enable the hibernation mode on your computer or system. So if you have been looking for how to enable these settings on your computer or system, don't worry, because I am going to show you how to do that effectively. But before I start, what do I mean by hibernation? Hibernation in the computer is a kind of power off mode that retains and preserves the last state of your computer. This very mode keeps all programs as it was before power off. In other sense, hibernating of a computer helps the system to start fast when power on. That is, the computer does not need to boot the operating systems or reload the application and data again. Now, if you found this video interesting at the end, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Okay, starting. All you have to do first is to locate the search bar option on your desktop. Search for control panel. That is control panel. When you open the control panel, this is exactly how it will look like. You see many options. So the options we choose is we are going to click system and security. Click system and security. Once you've clicked system and security, you locate for power options. Here's the power options. You click it. So when you click it, you check at the top left corner column. You see, choose what the power buttons do. So this is the option. You click it. Now this is where we are going to do all the whole settings. So this is the power option. When I press the power button option, what does it exactly do? So you have to change it from shutdown to hibernate. The second one is when I press the sleep button option, what does it do? Initially it should be sleep, but we have to change it to hibernate so that anytime you press the sleep button, your system or computer will automatically hibernate. Another option here is when I close the lid, what does the computer do? So you have to change it from sleep to hibernate so that anytime maybe all of emergency or you have an urgent thing to attend to, you can easily close your computer lid, and when you do that, your system won't shut down or sleep, rather it will hibernate, making it easier for you to still come back and start from where you stopped. So once you are through with those ones, there is another option here, plugged in. When plugged in, you change it from sleep to hibernate. When plugged in, also sleep to hibernate. So this has brought us to the end, and please, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.